There's nothing like getting one of your children to dress your other child. Can you turn that light on? Oops, that's really bright. You get it, Willow? Is it on? Yeah, not quite is the answer. It was a good try though, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Let Daddy help.
Okay, so what you have to do, you have to make sure the diaper's way up there. And see, so the tabs are equal with the belly button.
That was hilarious.
Okay, other one up.
And now we're putting the pyjamas on. How you doing, Willow?
Good.
Yeah? That's it, Piper.
Put in this on. Hey, stand up. Stand up.
Piper, you gotta stand still, okay? You get them, Willow?
Yeah, I think so.
Let's have a look. Let's see.